that stuff. With some limes in there. It's a Mexican favorite. Sells out of this stuff every week. This is the La Palma Cafe in Palmdale, California. These are the homemade, they make these by hand. Homemade tortillas. Make them by hand, you know, the old way. And there's a beef foot in there. See that? A beef foot. Just the way I like them. Okay, I'm gonna eat now, so. Alright.